Jingles just signed up for a Crypto.com account, and today we're going to share about our realization on what exactly is Crypto.com. You know, I'm not too familiar about cryptocurrency and cannot really understand a lot of stuff that crypto aims to achieve. To many, it is a speculative kind of assets, and it's too risky, too dangerous, especially when it's not regulated by the government. Until we chanced upon Crypto.com. We were attracted by the 100% cashback for Spotify and Netflix for Crypto.com card. Right now, there's simply not much use cases because so much of it is only obvious to a developer or whoever that's working in that space. We tried many cryptocurrency platforms such as Huobi, Bittrex, Binance, CoinHako, Coinbase, and BlockFi. And each of them has their own strengths and use cases. For example, Binance being one of the best exchange with the lowest cost for trading, but complicated for newbies. Best interest platform like BlockFi. Overall, best UX is probably something like Coinbase, but all of them has a common theme for us, which is they all live in the web, and other than seeing the numbers grow as Bitcoin and the overall cryptocurrency market increase, we can't really use it unless we withdraw it in our bank and spend it. Other than trading and earning more interest, there is no way for us to have utility in the real world. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ying Ying, and now realize it's a YouTube channel started out by my partner and I. And on this channel, we explore the realization about life and happiness as we pursue our goals. So what is Crypto.com? Crypto.com is a cryptocurrency and a payment platform. Their main aim is to promote the widespread adoption for cryptocurrency. Crypto.com was founded in 2016. Basically, they're looking at replacing a lot of functions that a traditional bank does. Crypto.com is separated into Crypto.com app as well as Crypto.com exchange. So the app facilitates more simpler kind of financial transactions such as buying and selling crypto, and an exchange, which is the more complex function, offers trading of cryptocurrency and using futures to trade. Today we are going to just share about the simpler function, which is the Crypto.com app. So what can you do with Crypto.com app? First of all, you can buy and sell crypto, i.e. your money changer. There are two ways that you can fund your account, either with a credit card or with fiat money, which is money that is issued by the government, US dollars, Australian dollars, or even Singapore dollars. We prefer transferring Singapore dollars, fiat currency, to fund our account because there's no credit card fees involved. For Singaporeans, you can use Xverse to transfer into your Crypto.com account and start buying cryptos from there. We used to use Xverse to transfer into Coinbase until they stopped it, and we stopped buying crypto via Coinbase because the credit card fees can be quite costly. Another limit to Singapore dollars is that you can only buy limited types of cryptos compared to the other bigger currencies like USD and Euros. For example, you can't get ADA, which is Cardano, with Singapore dollars. And what you have to do is to use Singapore dollars, exchange it to CRO, which is the Crypto.com coin, and then exchange it again for ADA. And this exchange process do cost transaction fee. Next, Crypto.com allows the function called Crypto Earn. Crypto Earn is very similar to a savings account. Depending on the type and amount of cryptocurrency you put in, the interest that you can earn ranges from 3% to 12%. And of course, it also depends on the duration that you put your coins in. And it can range from a flexible type of term or 3 months term. Crypto Earn is a more riskier type of saving account. While you can earn more interest, you are also taking on the risk that the crypto coin itself, as the crypto coin value fluctuates and prices can be volatile. We have currently tried to stake Ethereum and Matic, and each of them is giving us 5.5% and 10%. Next is Crypto.com Visa card, which could potentially replace my OCBC 365 card. What is most exciting for me is that Crypto.com offers a debit card with cashback perks that could rival even our local bank credit cards. Depending on which card tier, you could potentially get free Spotify and Netflix every month. So once we got our Crypto.com account approved, we immediately applied for the Ruby Steel card because we wanted free Spotify and don't want to stake $4,000. But then we realized that we can't get the Ruby Steel card even though we stake $400. And this is so confusing because on their website, it doesn't explain much. So we assume that whichever card we choose, as long as we stake the amount, we will get it. So we contacted Crypto.com support, which is pretty fast in answering our questions. They said that we needed to start with level 1 first, which is the Midnight Blue card. And the Midnight Blue card is a free card you can get once you stake the required amount. And we need to pay $50 if we want to upgrade the card to the higher tiers. Crypto.com do not allow us to skip the Midnight Blue card and save the $50 because what we thought was the first card is free. So reason being, any upgraded card is made of metal, which are more costly to make, and therefore we aren't able to get the free Spotify after all. Seriously, we don't really care whether it's a metal card or a plastic card. I mean, sometimes maybe it feels nice, but paying $50 for it, we're not too sure. Okay, maybe we can try to get the 12% cashback at the following merchants in Singapore, and that is if our card comes before 30th September where the promotion ends. We have applied the card since... How long did we apply the card? We have applied for the card, I think 2 weeks ago, and right now we still have not gotten the card yet. Next, Crypto.com Pay, which could potentially replace some of our Google Pay functions. You can pay supported merchants, businesses, and friends using Crypto Pay as well. Crypto.com is offering great cashback, like 10% if you transfer to your friends, and like anywhere between 2.5% to 5% cashback if you pay merchants. There are gift card and vouchers that you can purchase to use. So we plan to try out Han Sing Gap next time when we have a burger craving and to see how it works. In conclusion, Crypto.com is quite an interesting platform. And if I'm not wrong, it is the first crypto DeFi platform that allows Singaporeans to get a debit card. Most other platforms like BlockFi, Binance have not rolled out their card services in Singapore yet. So long as the cashback and returns are more attractive than say our own credit card perks, I think we might want to change our credit card to use Crypto.com debit card for some of our spending. We are unsure yet because we haven't tried it, and once we got our card, we'll probably try it for a month to see how much cashback we will get and compare to our current credit card cashbacks. The type of risk and frustration that you and I would probably face is that the card takes too long to come and we need to pay like $50 for a higher tier card. So that means we would have to calculate it in order to make sense. The higher tier cards do give a better cashback, but there are other risks that we have to consider as well. The most crucial risk is actually the volatility of cryptocurrency. Furthermore, all crypto platforms are registered under the Digital Payment Tokens license to provide their services in Singapore, but they are not considered legal tender or securities, which means that the money inside is not protected by the Singapore government or SDIC like how our banks and securities are. So that means in the event of any problems or issues, you might not be able to recover your money if the companies fail or something happens like a hacking incident happens in the exchange. This is true for all crypto platforms and exchanges. Crypto.com has taken active steps to secure their platforms, such as insuring a total of 360 million in cold storage insurance against physical damages, disruption, and third-party theft. So in the case of something like Poly network hack happens. Anyways, we are still experimenting with the crypto earn as well as the supercharger functions, and we can't wait to try out the Crypto.com debit card when it comes. And we would love to share our realization to you on our returns as well as any hidden fees once you have some time to explore. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. Bye!